Are you struggling to get a job in data science? No worry about it. Izeon IT Training is there. Izeon IT Training provide professional data science course. So, if you are interested in learning data science and its crucial techniques, then we are here to help you with that. Get ready to start your data science career with us. Izeon IT Training Skill Up course on data science will give you all the necessary skills and experience to become a data scientist. The best part is you can take up this course for both offline and online classes. That's right, you can begin your data science learning journey with us and get a course completion certificate for the same. Izeon IT Training Data Science course is developed by experienced professionals and trainers and can be taken by anyone who has passed to become a data scientist. This course will help you learn top skills such as Python programming, data wrangling, data visualization, statistics, NumPy, and more. The total duration of this data science course is 3 months, and all the modules are self-paced video lessons with lifetime access to the course. This allows you to learn at your own pace and schedule. After completing the course, you will receive a course completion certificate by Izeon IT Training. This certificate can be highlighted in your resume to increase profile visibility. There is no prerequisite or eligibility criteria to enroll in this course. However, an understanding of basic Python program would be highly beneficial. Head straight to our Skill Up page and enroll our data science course today. Apply now and get certified with Izeon IT Training.